Nah, they walking like you.
Look at that shit.
Can't zoom in, right? Look, alright. They following us.
Alright, let's walk a few more, see if they keep going.
Alright, I'm gonna keep the camera looking back. Oh shit, car coming.
That's crazy, dog.
We being stalked by birds.
Better not hit him, because I hit you.
They letting us know that the bird is the word. Alright, look, they walking right behind us too.
Oh, and they've been following us since the pool.
Yeah, since we left the pool. They letting us know the bird is the word.
Okay, they diverting. They splitting up.
No, they just getting on the grass, so they ain't gonna get run over.
True. Look at that. Did he just mad dog me?
Go get him.
He did the black girl swing of the neck.
Oh.
Oh!
He's screaming at you.
Your mama. He's stepping up too. We're about to swing.
They still
They
following
keep
you.
challenging me.
Look, car coming back. They're funny. I'm gonna laugh if they follow us all the way home.
Can you imagine that shit?
Hell yeah.
Alright, they freaking me out. Look at this nigga looking at me.
Look at the way he walking. The one right there. Scared you.
They ain't like that.
Scared you.
Hell yeah, I don't know what them birds do. They could be big ass man eaters. Look at he's stalking. You heard that Puerto Rican usang adobo and he wants it.
I wonder what they taste like.
Yeah, I bet they wondering the same thing. He pro stepping with it.
Yeah, the one right there.
No, that's what
Ever since the beginning, this one's been walking like is trying to walk like us. This nigga's been walking like he fucking 007. Them two niggas in the background, they just screaming it out. They like, oh, they keep walking. Oh, this nigga about to swing.
You said he had no nipples.
Alright, stand still, see what they do.
Hell nah. Hell nah. They might come out swinging, headbutt. They pretty though.
Yeah, I like the eyes.
Let's see.
That one over there is a woman, I think. Look at the feathers.
No,
They walking straight to us. Them two niggas in the background is the referee.
they the guard.
Alright, car coming. What is it? Tiburón.
Huh?
You ready? Tiburón. Oh, he dropped the feather.
I think that's the sign that she want to mate with me.
What?
I think that was the sign that she want to mate with me.
Go mate. Look the way the one in the background's walking.
Look at her.
Yeah, it's
She
like.
gave me the sexy look. And she dropped the feather.
No, the other one dropped the feather.
You want me? Look, he's bobbing his head. He like it. Yo, they following us for real though.
I know. Ever since we walked out of the pool. They was even screaming when we was in the pool.
Yeah, they was calling us. They want to be our friends.
I wouldn't mind taking one of those home as a pet.
I would. I'll stick it. Like the guy skinny legs, I'll dig a hole and just bury them. Like the flamingos.
Flamingos. But those are prettier.
These are pretty.
Duh, that's what I said. Those are prettier.
You could have been those. The flamingos, the those, them.
True. Try to walk around them. Try to walk back. I like this still.
Do we wait for y'all? But oh, there's a predator. Oh, you lazy. Get up. Thank you. Where I going? Hey,
Baby, come back.
baby, come back to me. My heart, you always. Vuelve, vuelve. Que sin ti la vida no es lo mismo.
Ah, but look at the way they're moving.
Oye, mami, se mueven, se mueven. Unks, 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 unks. ¿Y sin la nalga?
Oh yeah.
Mira cómo se mueven. What? You want it?
Let's go stalk them now.
Yeah, let's return the favor. If they turn around and do that.
I'm running.
out.
I'm running. I'm running over there to the hill. Oh, they stopping. They noticed.
Nah, it's something over there.
What you see? Alale.
Talking in a Australian accent.
What?
Right now.
They're talking to that bird over there.
That your cousin? You can come too. Nah, let's go home. Got food waiting.
I'll keep recording in case they chase us.
I'm not a biter, I'm a writer for myself and others. Say a big brother, I'm bigging up my brother, bigging up my brother, big enough to do it. I'm that thorough.